There are several reasons why you might want to remove a product or a quantity of product from availability. This video provides instructions on multiple ways to do that. The first option is to find the product in the product inventory list screen and click on its calendar of availability. Here we see we've got 21 carts, but we want to change that. So by clicking on the calendar, we can see, first of all, that all reservations will automatically withhold availability and reduce available quantity. But if you wanted to override that or manually remove some items from inventory, click the ban icon on the calendar date and input the quantity you wish to remove from availability. Once we refresh our screen, we'll see the red indication that the manual override of availability has been input. Second option is to reduce available quantity for a longer period of time. So by scrolling to the top of the calendar screen and clicking the ban icon, we can input the dates to hold out inventory and the quantity we wish to withhold. So now when we navigate to that date on the calendar, we can see again red indication of a manual override and reduction of the available quantity. We can also update the product status to remove it from availability altogether. So in this example, we'll completely remove the product from availability so no items can be booked by changing its status from active to inactive. Another way to prevent bookings of your product is to use the Hours and Holidays menu under Business Settings. If we wanted to prevent any booking from happening for a given period of time, we can use the Hours and Holidays function. In this example, we'll create a holiday for Independence Day, and this will prevent all orders from being booked for the dates input. We'll just name this holiday and click Save, and that is a store-wide blocking of availability. Another option is to simply use the Hours and Holidays menu. If you don't wish any rentals to begin on Sundays, for example, you can disable Sunday as an active day. Another option, if you're using asset-tracked products, is to add a particular asset into service. So for example, if you don't want cart 15 to be available, you can find that cart's asset, input the dates of unavailability, add a description if you like, and save it. So that'll reduce the total quantity available, but specifically will reduce that asset, individual asset's availability. So now it's in service and unavailable and cannot be booked.